Hi! Today on ArawArawFilipino, we will talk about what others can do for you in the Filipino language. When we talk about what others can do for you, this is about help, a service, or favor that you get from others. Tulong, serbisyo, pabor. Let us begin with a conversation. I asked Mom to help. Nagpatulong po ako kay nanay. Ako, asked to help, nagpatulong. Mom, nanay. We use the word po because it is a child talking to someone older than her. And we used kay because the action to help belongs to nanay. It will come from nanay. Kay nanay. You can also ask Ana to help. Pwede ka din magpatulong kay Ana. You, ka. Can, pwede. Also, din. Ask to help, magpatulong. And again, we used kay Ana because Ana will own the action of helping. Yes, I will also ask her to help. Opo, magpapatulong din ako sa kaniya. Yes, opo. Ako. Will ask to help, magpapatulong. Her, kaniya. Now let us have a quick side lesson on that word sa. In that last sentence, we said sa kaniya. The Filipino version has an implied galing sa kaniya. It is like saying I will ask for help from her, and from is galing sa. So that sa is derived from galing sa. Let us look at the sentences again. You see the verbs nagpatulong, magpatulong, magpapatulong. All of this start with the prefixes nagpa, magpa, and magpapa. This is a new set of prefixes that we have not learned before. Previously, nung nakaraan, we learned to use affixes or panlapi as well as conjugation or pagbanghay to form verbs in the past, present, future, and imperative tenses. Highlighted in blue are the affixes that we have already learned. If you want to go back to the lessons for this, the link will be in the description below. Our lesson today will focus on using the combination of nag, mag, and pa to form verbs that describe actions that others do for you. Let us look at another new rule for conjugation or pagbanghay. We will start with the root word help or tulong. To say the phrase ask for help, we say pa, the prefix, plus tulong, patulong. To do the past tense, asked for help, we use the prefix nag plus patulong, nagpatulong. What about the present tense? Asking for help, we use the prefix nag plus pa plus patulong, nagpapatulong. The future tense will ask for help. We use mag as a prefix plus pa plus patulong, magpapatulong. And for the imperative form, to ask for help, we simply use mag as a prefix plus patulong, magpatulong. So we have used an example of asking for help. Now here is a conversation about getting a service. I will get my car repaired. Magpapaayos ako ng kotse ko. Ako. Will get repaired. Magpapaayos. My, ko. Car, kotse. And the word ng is there as a connector. Where do you get your car repaired? Saan ka nagpapaayos ng kotse mo? Where? Saan? Do get repaired, nagpapaayos. You, ka. Your, mo. And car is kotse. At ABC Motors. Sa ABC Motors. At, sa. Here is another one about getting a service. I will go to get a haircut. Magpapagupit ako ng buhok. Will go to get a cut. Magpapagupit. Hair is buhok. Do you want to get a haircut too? Gusto mo din magpagupit ng buhok? Do you want, gusto mo? To get a cut, magpagupit. To is din. I already had a haircut. Nagpagupit na ako ng buhok. Already is na. Had a cut, nagpagupit. Now here is an example about asking a favor. I will ask Joy to make a cake. Magpapagawa ako ng cake kay Joy. Will ask to make, magpapagawa. I asked her to make cookies. Nagpagawa ako sa kaniya ng cookies. Asked to make, nagpagawa. Her, kaniya. Ask her to make pastries too. Magpagawa ka din ng pastries sa kaniya. Ask to make, magpagawa. Her, kaniya. To, din. Here are the verbs or pandiwa in the root form that we have used in this lesson. Help, tulong. Repair, ayos or kumpuni. Cut, gupit. Make, gawa. Now here are some root words for verbs or pandiwa about actions that you might ask other people to do for you. You might ask someone to cook for you. Cook, luto. Buy, bili. Accompany or go with you, sama. Teach, turo. Clean, linis. Try to practice the conjugation rules on these words to form the past, present, and future tense of phrases that say, ask someone to do the action for you. That is our lesson today, and for your homework, try writing about things that you will ask others to do for you. using the Filipino language. Read it out loud to yourself. Then practice talking with others about what you have asked others to do for you in Filipino. I hope you can join us again next time on Araw-Araw Filipino. Thank you. Salamat po. Now, a few words from my son, Max.
Thought this video was cool? Watch the next one and like and subscribe to the channel too if you haven't yet.
Bye-bye!
Bye!